Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have an incredible 80s icon, 1986 IROC-Z, 14,000 original miles, finished in black, and a hardtop too. No T-tops on this, which gives it a little bit more rigidity, right?
Yep.
So tell us about it.
It's a California car. It's spent its life in an airplane hangar for the first 6,500 miles. Ended up in a consignment shop after that. I'm the third owner. Second owner had it for 200 miles.
Wow.
Got rid of it. I've put about 7,000 on it. But it looks on the outside to be an all original 1986 IROC-Z.
Yeah.
There's only a couple of telltale signs that a couple of things have been changed, which is the exhaust tip sticking out the back.
Yeah, I see that right away.
Yeah, but they're tasteful. They're not sticking out too far. They're just barely peeking out.
Yeah.
It has new drivetrain, 383 blueprint stroker motor, 450 horse at the crank,
Cool.
256 out of a 6th generation. That was purchased from Hawks Motorsports as a completely rebuilt and warranted transmission, back to a Moser rear end, 373 gear ratio.
Yeah. It's got a 12 bolt back there too.
12 volt, yeah.
It's great. And these things were all smogged up back in California, what, 180 horsepower?
Yep.
Something ridiculous.
Yep. So we lost all the smog stuff on there. Went from regular iron heads on the old TPI setup to
Aluminum heads.
So we lost a little bit of weight. So the car weighs about between 3,000 and 3,100 pounds.
Wow.
With a 458 horse.
She rips, huh?
Crank. Yeah,
This will get you in trouble, this car.
Yes, sir. You can get in trouble. It's true.
Original paint too, huh?
Original paint. It's not even clear coated. It's an enamel paint in 1986. They didn't start clear coating these things until 87. So yeah, black hard top, no twisting, subframes,
Killer.
exhaust, wide pipe, Flowmasters. Everything is basically all done within 7,000 miles. So it's basically a new, old IROC.
Very cool. So you got some drilled and slotted rotors in there.
Yep, the brakes were done the same time the transmission, the suspension was done, so that's another thing. Suspension is all redone, control arms, pan hard bar, wood brakes, brand new, all four. It was an original disc car, but it didn't stop very well. It just was, so I didn't change that. It's still a disc, a 4-disc car.
Yeah, I see that. They're
it's got the,
drilled in the back too.
It stops like a Lexus.
It's so cool.
Yeah.
Basically, if you want a new IROC, here you go.
Yep.
You got Flowmasters in here.
Yep, one big Flowmaster in the back.
Man, look at that big rear.
Yeah, and so you got headers, shorty headers to a wide pipe to a big Flowmaster. Car starts like a regular car. It has the Holley sniper setup, so you turn the key, wait 10 seconds, let it click. When it clicks, the system's primed, it's ready to go.
Yeah, gotta let the fuel pump do its thing.
Yep.
Not touch the gas. Speaking of that, let's fire it up. Man, this interior is gorgeous. I graduated high school in 1990, and everybody wanted one of these.
Yep, this is car to have, sort of.
Yeah, you ain't kidding.
So you got the setup, you got the sniper setup. If you so are inclined to look at the metrics.
Oh my God, sounds so good.
It idles good, it works, the AC works.
Cool.
Creature comforts, everything else works, the rear hatch.
Sounds so good. Can you hit the gas a couple times? Woo. Sounds great. Matt, can you pop the hood? Let's check it out. nicely under the hood.
Yep.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Everything is basically
stock looking from the outside, but
doing the stroker motor, it just swaps right out. So I didn't have to do an LS. Nothing is cut.
Yeah.
Nothing is chopped up. It's just
nice headers too. Those are Headman headers. What are you clicking at like 70 miles an hour? 1500? 1800. So nice. Beautiful.
Just above idle, really. So great cruise.
Sounds so good.
It runs cooler. It used to, the original TPI cars used to get hot because of the smog.
Yeah, they're all clogged up.
Yeah, it would get hot, then it would go down. This, you know, hums along at about 175.
Got a Weiand intake on there too. The Warrior. Yeah. You all know what that is.
Injected, turnkey.
Tilt wheel, cruise, fogs, power seat. Black on black. Gorgeous door panels. Power locks, windows, mirrors. It's pretty loaded. Power hatch. And I love the sniper system. Gives you everything. Old school stereo with the cassette. Man, even the steering wheel is beautiful. $14,447 miles. Jeez. She's got some juice on that. Nice visor, beautiful headliner. Normally the headliner sags down, you know? This looks great.
Too much time to do it, you know? The guy who owned this had a huge collection of low-mile cars just sitting in a hangar in California.
Cool.
Babied it, wiped it down, took it for a ride, put it back on the lift. He took incredible care of it.
Cool. Can you pop the hatch? Sounds so good.
Do it. Just pop the key.
Old school remote.
Yeah.
Oh my God, even the struts work.
The spare tire has never been used or taken out. This has really never been used.
It's beautiful. Original tonneau cover and everything. So pretty. Are those the original shocks?
No.
Yeah. So cool. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Matt, thank you so much for showing up in your car. It is fantastic. Give us a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures and information on our main website, weebyautos.com.